Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Prachi Creation. Today we are going to learn DIY paper gift bag. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon. So let's get started. For this we will need a paper that measures 15 by 15 centimeter. Now fold it as shown. Now mark at 5 and 10 cm with the help of a scale. Now stick it with a glue. Now make 2 holes with a punching machine. Now take a small size of ribbon and tie a bow. And our beautiful gift bag is ready. Friends, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.